Hello fellas, we have a nice improvement on DeFi side of Potluck Protocol, the autocompounder. Autocompounding is a process when farming rewards are automatically sold and re-added to your pool to earn higher APY. Why is it profitable? First, you don't have to spend time and gas fees as in the manual harvesting. Also, our vault auto-compounds at an optimal rate every 4 hours, so the final yield is increased. I should add that there is a very small fee taken from harvested yields, but the above mentioned features still make it more profitable for the user. Let's get to the case. There's a separate website for Potluck Autocompounder, PotluckProtocol.com. Soon there will be a common landing page for all the Potluck branches, but for now, here we go. There are 6 options already on the site: single staking FANG and 5 LP vaults, FANG FTM, FANG USDC, Boo FTM, Tomb FTM plus USDC Ring, and more will come. To start staking here, you need to connect the wallet and make LP for the relevant DEX. In our case, there are FANG tokens and FTM FANG LP already on the general Potluck website, so let's unstake them and move here. Next, you should approve the contracts in the desired vault. Deposit the tokens and start compounding. Now these high yields are yours. Well, that's it, but more juicy features will come soon, so better check our Discord for fresh announcements. Stay well and alive. Good luck!